Hi, I'm Wayne from Winnellie Supermarket, and this year we're selling fireworks, specifically Dynamite and Dominator brands. We've decided to focus on the best sellers, ones that give you more bang for your buck. Here's what we have. Raider value added kit, $34.90. Firepower, more multi-shots than any other, $50. Air Raid, superior packaging, superior performance, $79.90. Dynamite V2 Rocket, $9.95 for a 6-pack. Dynamite parachutes, $19, 4 night, 4 day. 14 Shot Marauder, $24, red and white strobe with blue stars. 16 Shot NUKem, big breaks of blue, red and green stars. 8 Shot Headshot, $21, huge red, green and blue flower brocade. 16 Shot Monkey Wrench, $17, silver and gold crackle. Darts with whistle, $2.60, a great flyer. Big Thunder Missile, $24, exclusive and hot. Dynamite V Stinger, $8, Bumblebee. Slime Ball, $20 pack of 5 single shots, SLIMEEEE. Hit the Pink with Hit the Pink, $20, pack of 5 single shot. To name just a few, fireworks only available from 9 a.m. Saturday, 1st of July at Winnellie Supermarket, Shop 13, 347 Stewart Highway, Winnellie. Call 89816960. That number again, 89816960, or visit winsup.com.au to pre-order. winsup.com.au.